Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to can and store Ritz crackers. And by the way, it doesn't have to be just Ritz crackers. It can be saltines or any other type of crackers you may have in your pantry. As always, you will need your jars, flats, and rings. You will also need your sealer. Today I'm going to be using the hand sealing method by using my largemouth jar sealer head and a brake bleeder. And of course, you will need your crackers. And before we get started today, I'd like to show you a little trick that my mom taught me, which is if you have a flat that's already written on, take acetone, more commonly known as fingernail polish remover, and simply rub the writing right off with a cotton ball. Having already washed and dried my jars, I'm ready to begin filling them. The way I do this is by piling 3 vertical stacks and then gently poking the crackers in the open spaces as I go along. Once your jar is full, lay the flat in place. Attach the sealer head, then insert the tip of the hose into it. Then pump away! Always be sure to check your seal. No pings, it's sealed good and tight. Screw the ring on, finger tight. And don't forget to label and date your jars. Where I'm from, crackers were an item that was hard to keep on the store shelves. Storing them in this manner, however, allowed me to buy my crackers while they were on sale and store them away for further use. As always, I would like to thank you for watching and encourage you to like and subscribe and click the bell for notifications.